Hi students, let us continue our topic properties of triangle. One more important question from in this, that is, if R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB equals to, show that 1 by R minus 1 by 2R. Okay, let us go with our solution. Let given LHS is nothing but R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB. Okay, let's simplification. Shall I write like this? Now in which ABC is a LCM actually. ABC, yes or no? Now here A R1 plus B R2 and C R3. Yes or no? Okay. Now write here like this 1 by ABC. Okay. Write with summation. Shall I write like this? A R1? Definitely. Okay. Now here applying the formulas. A equals to, in sines, 2R sin A. Okay. Now A equals to 2R sin A, one of the formula, and also by sine rule. Then R1 equals to S into tan A by 2. Okay. Now these are also in trigonometric ratios. R1 equals to S into tan A by 2. Okay. By using these formulas, let's simplification. Now write here 2R by ABC summation sin A equals, shall I write sin A equals to again 2 sin A by 2 and sin cos A by 2, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, and also write tan A by 2 as a sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. Okay. Now here cos A by 2 get cancelled, and also this S right here. Okay. Now 2 into 2 again, this is a 4R by ABC, and also here S summation sin A by 2 is a sin square A by 2. Okay. Now this 4R sin A by 2 is nothing but what? It is nothing but delta. Yes or no? Delta equals actually ABC by 4R. Then it is a reverse. Yes or no? Now it is nothing but S by delta. Okay. Summation sin square A by 2. Now S by delta is nothing but R equals actually delta by S, no. So S by delta equals to 1 by R, then sin square A by 2. Now leave the sigma, then this is a sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2. Okay. Now it is a trigonometric transformation problems. It is like trigonometric transformation form. By applying trigonometric transformation formulas, we can prove given letter. Then first of all 1 by R into, now write sin square A by 2 plus sin square B by 2. Shall I write like this? At 1 minus cos square A by 2. Okay. Now I am rubbing like this. One by R equals to 1 minus cos square A by 2. Now remaining sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2. Okay. Then 1 by R, if that, if minus is common, cos square A by 2 minus, it is a sin square B by 2 plus sin square C by 2. Okay. Then 1 by R, leave that, 1 minus, now this is nothing but cos A plus B into A minus B formula by 2 is there, that's why here 2 cos A minus B by 2. In product formula, cos have like this, cos and sine. Product of cos formula has cos and sine. Okay. Cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 is a cos square A by 2 minus sin square B by 2. Okay. Plus sin square C by 2. Then 1 by r, 1 minus cos, shall I write a plus b by 2 equals to pi by 2 minus c by 2 because of, now here properties of triangles, definitely these are all are in where triangles, that's why a plus b plus c equals to pi, then a plus b by 2 equals, shall I write pi by 2 minus c by 2 like this, okay. Then cos a minus b by 2 plus sin square c by 2, okay. Then 1 by r into, now 1 minus, now it is nothing but sin c by 2, yes or no. Now cos a minus b by 2 plus sin square c by 2, okay. Now 1 by r, 1 minus sin c by 2 again common from in this term, two terms, cos sin c by 2 is a common, then remaining cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2, okay. Then 1 by r, 1 minus sin c by 2, now it is a cos a minus b by 2 minus, already we got sin c by 2 from cos a plus b by 2, yes or no, like this. Now shall I write reverse like this, sin c by 2 equals to actually cos pi by 2 minus c by 2. Now again it is a cos a plus b by 2, yes or no. Now cos a plus b by 2, okay. 1 minus sin c by 2 is a sin c by 2. Now it is nothing but one of the formula, transformation formula, cos a plus b by 2 minus cos a minus b by 2 equals, shall I write 2 into sin a by 2 sin b by 2. There is no minus because of a plus b term has minus, okay. That's why here plus 2 sin a by 2 sin c b by 2, okay. Then 1 by r into 1 minus, now it is a 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 and sin c by 2, okay. Now here now it is nothing but 1 by r, 1 minus, shall I write like here 2 into 2, 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 by 2r, yes sir. Let now 2 get cancelled, r get cancelled, now remaining is a 2 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Then 1 by r, because of it is a 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 is nothing but small r, okay, by 2. Then 1 by r into 1 by r minus 1 by r into r by 2r, okay. Here r get cancelled, now remaining is our proof 1 by r by 1 by 2r. This is our proof, okay. Now here we can using number of formulas. Actually from this step it is similar to actually trigonometric basis of transformation problems, yes or no. These are the transformation for problems, actually problem from this step to this step, yes or no, okay. Let here observe here 4r by abc is nothing but delta equals to abc by 4r. Now here reverse 4r by abc in deltas, that is a 1 by delta, and also s by delta equals to, then here r equals to delta by s, then s equals to s by delta equals to 1 by r, okay. Maximum you can using these formulas. Now here, now it is also one of the formula, 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 equals to small r, okay. Now it is a proof. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.